He told me then the next day. Oh no. Just like he said. What's up, Law now? I don't recall your name. Have you changed it? But welcome back, man. Welcome back. Welcome back, my guy. Much love to you. Hope you are doing well. I hope you are doing well. There we go. Bum, bum. How's everyone doing, man? How's everyone doing? How is everybody doing? How is everybody doing? Just been months? All right. Trying to be well? Trying to be well. I hope you're well, man. I hope you are well. Damn, big sell-off here on AUD. USD. What's up, noob? I'm doing well, I'm doing well. Just trying to capture some moves in this godforsaken land we call XAU USD. It's been absolutely horrendous, I can't lie. Wait, what is it saying the 20? What is it saying the 25th, bro? It's not the 25th. Maybe it's going off New York time. No, it would still be the 20th. Because yeah, it's midnight. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Welcome in, everybody. Welcome in. Let's have a look what's going on. Lots of movement today. Lots of movement. Has anybody taken any trades today? If so, what trades? What trades have you guys taken? So look at Nasdaq. Oh yeah, I need to add. Want to add. Let me just go to Nightbot. Let me add. Hit break even, yeah. News actually affected gold quite heavily here. Actually, it actually flipped it because we was trending up nicely right here. I mean, we did kind of break structure. You kind of broke structure here, retrace, and then sold off. But this was kind of trending nice throughout the day. We grabbed some liquidity here, you know, from Asian session. Nice little trending move. And then when news came out here, it's been selling off ever since. Nice 1% up. Does anybody in here trade futures? And more specifically, gold futures? More specifically, gold futures? More specifically, gold futures. Anybody in here trade gold futures? No? Nobody in here trades gold futures? We'll have a little look at what is going on here. We've grabbed a lot of bullish liquidity from these areas just now. A lot of bullish liquidity. From 3 different levels, from the DTG V6, the DTG indicator level. Grab that liquidity. So I'm trying to see if we're going to push up here. Trying to see if we're going to push up. News came out here. A lot of positive. It's all positive here for the US dollar. All positive. So that's why we are seeing this dip in gold at the moment. Very strong US dollar. You know, fairly strong, I would say. Not going to say very strong, but... Ooh, we've flipped to a neutral bias again. Brother. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. What is the deal here? What is the deal? Are we going to push back up? Are we going to continue selling off? What do you guys think? What do you guys think, man? Look at NASDAQ, man. It's just been crazy. It has been crazy. Insane in the membrane. It's kind of primed for sales right now, NASDAQ. Can't lie. I can't lie. I'm just looking at NASDAQ here. It's kind of nice in my discount zones. It's kind of nice with my discount zones, bruh. Does this spike up? Not quite. What's up, Kiki? Kiki, do you love me? Do you get that a lot? Are you riding? So you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you and I need you. And I'm down for you always. You traded news today? Damn. Why did you do that, my brother? Why did you do that, my brother? Was 4% down on full account. Now I'm only 2%. Now I'm down 2%. Oh, nice, man. Let's go. That's a W. That's a big W. Matter of fact, that's a gigantic W. NASDAQ. Should I become a NASDAQ trader? An NQ? NQ NASDAQ trader? Shall I just become one of those? Or what? Yo, is there any futures traders in here or what? What's up, Simon?
Filled.
What? So confused. What's gold doing? Absolutely nothing right now. Absolutely nothing right now.
Order filled.
Bro, I'm so confused. I'm so confused, man. I am so confused. I just took these sales on NASDAQ. I've got a futures account. I literally bought this a couple of hours ago. I'm going to start trading this for the live stream. But I entered this shit and I'm in profit, but it was bullish and I couldn't see any positions on the chart. Does anybody know how to use this shit? I just made like $171 right there. Bro, I'm so confused. I am so confused. Let's look at gold for now anyway. Please, if any of you guys know how to use this, please help me. How do I like edit the charts? How do I edit the charts? Because I want to see I want to see the order on the chart. Can I do that when I do it? Like, I would have been set up nice right now. What broker for futures? It's just the Apex. It's just the Apex account. It's a little bit different to this because this is now pushing up, but now this is selling off. It's a little bit different. All right. Let me put this back to back real quick. See, this is, wait, this is a little bit delayed. Wait, so I could literally sell right here and know that it's, or is it going with current price? Sorry guys, I'm just getting used to trading futures. I have no idea. The gold one is fine. Like the gold one is actually the same look, but the Nasdaq one, the NQ one is a little bit delayed. You have to activate live data feed. Do I? Go to top right hand volume adjusting bars. Wait, let me just make sure there's no personal information on this. So how do I... CME bundle? Do I need that? The CME bundle level 1 top of book? Is that what I need to do? Is it this one right here? Is this what I need to do? Market data. Ah, okay, this is what I need to do. But I don't need to do that for gold or what? Because the gold one is fine. Look, the gold one is actually the same here. The gold one is like on time. It's not delayed. Oh, it's just for indices? Okay. Well, I guess I got lucky there then. I made $170 profit on that, so I guess I'm happy with that. All right, here's what we're going to do on gold. What's up, Darius? We're going to wait for price to come back into this area. And then we are going to look for sales. Scalp sales, short-term sales. I don't really like selling gold at the moment, to be honest with you. But we'll give it a go. But here we go. This account right here, hopefully I get used to it. This account is literally just for... I've been wanting to get into futures anyway. I've been wanting to get into futures trading for a long time. So I thought today I'd bite the bullet. I bought this 50k Apex account. And we'll see what we can do, man. We'll see what we can do. I definitely need to get used to this. Definitely need to get used to this. I mean, gold has swept some bullish liquidity here. It has swept some bullish liquidity. Yeah, it's just for the live streams, Darius. Just a little bit of fun for the live streams. Because usually, like, I took a trade on Monday. I took one trade on Monday, and I've pretty much finished trading for the week, right? So if I'm going to be doing these live streams, like, I don't just want to be sitting here like, oh yeah, I'm done trading for the week on Monday. So it's for a little bit of fun. And it's because I've wanted to get involved in futures for a while, and this is going to kind of help me jump into that. Why futures? I don't know. It's just something that interests me. It's just natural evolution for me at this point. I think I've been in Forex for the last, you know, like the CFD market for the last 9-10 years now. It's just something that, yeah, I guess, like I said, natural evolution, just to check out, you know, the fact that we can trade gold on here as well, gold futures, and just see what happens, man. You know what I mean? If we can pass some funded accounts. I've never really done funded challenges, so I don't know how I'm gonna do. But we'll keep you updated on the journey. First of all, I have to get used to this interface, because I am not comfortable with this at all. VJ, can I, if say I've got an Apex account and they've given me the account for TradeVate, can I use that then to log into that account on TradingView and trade from TradingView, or not? Because it's not letting me trade through TradingView. I can. It wouldn't let me log in though. Do I have to do something like special? I have to activate. Okay, fucking hell. You have to activate everything. So where do I log into that? On TradeVate or on Apex? Go to TradeVate. I'm gonna have to get my Apex account back up. Allow trading on TradingView. Okay. Fuck, I'm glad I have you in the chat right now, because I would be lost. I would be lost. I can download the desktop app as well. I can download the app as well. Yeah, I should do that. How come I'm done for the week with one trade? Because I've got to that point. I've been doing this for almost 10 years, like I said. And I've got to this point in my career where I can take one trade and I'm happy with those profits. This week that was just over 2k. I can show you that in the Discord if you want. It's up here somewhere. I'm gonna have to scroll a bit back. This was on Monday. So over the last like year or so, I've gotten into the habit of not trying to force trades, like not getting out of that mind frame of I have to trade every day, right? I have to take at least one trade a day, or if I make profit, I have to trade again the next day. The reason I got into trading was for freedom, right? Not to sit at my desk like 10 hours a day trading every session, trying to catch like 10 setups. So I've got to that point where I have the capital, I have the experience, I have the resources behind me, the data, and if I can take one trade like this and make anything over 1,000 for the week, I'm happy with. Anything over 1,000 for the week, I'm happy with. Simple. So if I can make that consistently each week and I only have to take one trade per week, then that is beautiful, right? Isn't that what we're all here for? If you want to trade like 10 hours a day, just go and get a fucking 9-to-5 job. It's going to be a lot less stressful. You know what I mean? We trade for our freedom. We trade for our time. Make your money, make your percent, and then call it a week, man. Just see it as like a weekly salary, a weekly wage. You know what I mean? Why if an A+ setup presents itself, then you know, and that's what it is. It doesn't matter if an A+++ setup presents itself. If I've taken one trade for the week, I'm done trading my main account. But that's why I'm doing this. That's why I'm doing this here so I can, you know, still keep trading on stream. But I can't see, where does it say allow trading on? Oh, trading view. Yeah, allow trading on trading view. Okay, activate. Order flow allows you to see detailed volume. No. Free indicators. No, thank you. Group trade. View every tick of selected contract, including time. No. So VJ, is there a way? Okay, I've done that, so I can now log in. I'll have to do that in a sec. Is there a way that I can, like, when I, for example, like if I want to put a buy stop right here, and then I get triggered in that trade, is there a way that I can put, click on the up arrow at the bottom? Oh yeah, I know how to do it on TradingView. But is there a way that I can see the positions I'm in on the chart? You know what I mean? I guess I can do that on TradingView, but can I do it on here? Like, for example, like this would come up and it would be like, you know, buy, whatever. Like, how do I get to see those visuals on the chart? Like the arrows where I enter, you know what I mean? Like you should have an arrow where I've entered or something. I swear I've seen people when they enter, like an arrow shows up where they've entered. But I can't, like, how do I configure? Oh, maybe here. No. Ah, show fills, show trade lines. Here we go. Ah, there we go. You see, it's showing here. Wait. You see, when I entered it here. But I entered it based on the NASDAQ chart on Oanda, right? So I entered on this sell-off right here. So I entered on that sell-off. But on here, it was here. But it still entered it over here. Yo, this is a cheat code. It's still showing up as if I entered it here, but I didn't. When I actually entered it, price was over here. So I don't need the data. I just need to reference this chart. This is another potential sell setup here again on NASDAQ. But I'm not going to jump in it. So it's saying the bid. So even though it's delayed, I can look at this as if it is happening in real time, and it's still going to enter me right here as if it's happening in real time. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. Because I was confused as hell. All right, so people seldom trade on Tradingview, but most often, yeah. Because I know you can't do the group trading on TradingView, right? You can only do that on Tradingview. Fuck, that was another opportunity for a little sell there, a little scalp on Nasdaq. I might have to start trading fucking Nasdaq as well, you know. I have to start trading NQ, become an NQ boy, MQ trader. Let me just log in over here on TradingView to see what happens, see if I like it. What is that? Now, I appreciate your help though. I appreciate your help, VJ, legend. So do you trade front like Tradingview as well, or Apex or whatever? All right, I'm in on TradingView. So now I can trade. Now I need your help. I've never traded on TradingView before, so now I need your help for this too. Account summary. So my my trailing drawdown is gonna go up now, right? Yeah, I took some I mean, I took some Nasdaq sells over here, caught a little bit. Ryan, but I am looking at gold sells, but not until we get into this area. View all brokers. You will certainly like it. Yes, but their rules are crazy, so gave up. Apex rules are crazy. View all brokers, what do you mean? Trading settings. Buy sell buttons. Execution volume, no. Positions. Execution labels. Orders and execution positions on screenshots. Trade. Wait, no, I need to go to, how do I, this one. I need to go here. Okay. All right, there we go. So it's showing there. Sold or all right, and then we'll get so I need to add this one to my list. That's NQ. All right. So I need that. Order presets. Take profit in price. No. Reward. All right, thank you for bearing with me, guys, while I figure this out. All right, so that's how I trade that. So how do I have this added? Add. All right. I'll put that and that there, and then I'll get this one. I'll add that to watch list. All right. Yeah, these two are almost identical, these gold ones. All right, so that's it. So the lowest I can enter on this is like a one, what do you call it? One contract. I'm gonna have to get used to the lingo. The lingo, mate. But this one lot. This. So what is what is this purple? What's this purple thing? Is this is Asian session? Oh, no, this is so. Why is it? Is this when the market opens right here? Like officially, this little gap. It is pre-market. The purple is the pre-market. Fuck, this is kind of fun. I can't lie. This is kind of exciting. So I can't lose more than 2,500. That's my trailing drawdown. 100 micros. So what? 10. So what does that mean? Full size account, 10 contracts, 100 micros. What does that mean? So in USA, play after market hours. Oh, okay. So this is like this purple is pre-market, and then this is market, I'm guessing. No, this is oh, I'm right, okay. Fuck, man. Yeah, I might have to start trading. Might have to start trading Nasdaq as well, man. For now, we'll go to gold. We'll go to XAUUSD. So, VJ, how can I see my dashboard in in Apex so that I can see like the profit I've made and things like that, like, because I'm not seeing that. It says dashboard, but it's not saying anything. It's not doing anything or saying anything. Like, how do I see my stats and everything? How do I see my stats? I'm gonna have to get used to this shit. So we got gold, and then we got this one right here. So if I wanna, that's a market. I can just sell here if I want to, or I can do a stop. Can I just like right click, buy stop? Yes, nice. So I can just be like, boom. That's how to view stats in account stats in Apex funded. Go to the signatures chat. We'll check your dashboard for live trading stats. Apex provides a dashboard with various risk management rules and performance metrics, which you may need to monitor through your connected trading platform or other provider tools. Navigate to signatures in the side and click the signatures tab. I got no signatures. Maybe it takes a while to like show up after I take my first trade. I can't find it. It's not saying anything, man. It's not saying anything. How do I track my stats? Do I have to do it here? Like account summary? Like, does it show me what my trailing stop now is? Because obviously it's a trailing drawdown. Does it show me that like actively? It should do, right? Wait, is it just this? Is that it? Surely it tells me my trailing drawdown somewhere. Here. Okay, so it's now at 2323 from 25. Okay. Okay, all right. So I mean that was a decent start. Go to my home screen of Tradingview. How do I do that? How do I go to my home screen? Add modules. A market analyzer. Trade performance. I don't really need to see this, do I? To be honest, that can go. I just want somewhere to show me that, like my updated trailing stop loss, because I know that's one of the biggest things. Wait, I want to. So is this where I have to put it? Like, what's the market analyzer? What is that? Can I just see? Reports, I guess. Accounts, legacy chart. Reports. Nah. I know, I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. All right, what's gold doing? What is gold doing? I guess it's just going to tell me here, right? What is this? Can I not? You cannot see me? Huh? What do you mean? Hello, hello, hello. It's working for me. Oh, you can't hear me. My bad, my bad, my bad, my bad. Yeah, but like surely Apex would have some sort of dashboard where I can track all the analytics and the stats and the data, right? Like what my trading drawdown is now, what my what my profit target is, how far I am to my profit target, what percent I'm in profit, blah blah blah. Like, is there a way I can see that or not? Watch me, man. I'm gonna absolute account reports page. Where is that though? I don't see that. I want to absolute dominate this fucking funded space. I'm telling you. Is it in here? Accounts report. This, like right here. And talk about like this right here. Is this what you're talking about? Because this doesn't tell me like this doesn't really tell me anything. I just want to know like clearly what my trading drawdown is now. Like what percent I'm in profit, that kind of thing. Like, do they not do that in futures or what? I guess it just goes on profit, right? Because they say it doesn't say I need to make like a certain percent. It just says I need to make 3,000. When you say home screen of Tradingview, VJ, is this what you're talking about? Damn, strongest week. One of my members, FH, just made 7K in a week, bro. And he withdraws 6,500. Let's fucking go. That's what happens when you use the discount strategy, man. Discount liquidity strategy. Go to the home page. Is this what you're talking about, the home page? Or when I log into actual Tradingview on... Like when I go to Tradingview and I log in, this is what I see. And it says download NinjaTrader desktop platform. I don't want to do that. And then when I say access simulation, it just takes me straight to this. I'll click the plus. Accounts. That's what I did over here. I'll figure it out. What is pulse? Oh, they're telling you the... Interesting. What is TNS? Terms and ticks. Market analyzer, what's that? No. Chart? Oh no. There's a setting button in the top right. Prohibit auto roll to prevent all. You will have the option to receive an email on any working orders or positions and configure a number of minutes after the end of your last. Oh, maybe I'll do this. Advanced configuration. Damn. I don't know, dude. I don't know, dude. What's this news? Chat. Close this window. I can't, man. What's the other one people trade? Let me go here. S&P 500, right? Next to H, this one. Yeah, how come does it show when the candle is closing? Yeah, what do you want me to press there, man? Wait, what did I just do? There is no settings if I press the plus. $7.2K profit. Nice, man. Just click plus, select accounts. I can't select it. I can't select it. I have to drag and drop it onto my chart. Settings in the bottom window. Ah, but it still says 2.5. Hover slowly over the trade about help tab. Daily loss limit? I don't think there is any daily. No, there's no daily loss limit. It's just a trailing. Maybe it hasn't updated yet or something. I don't know. Max net liquidation. Distance. Okay. So the trailing max was 2000. Now it's 2232. Is that right? Distance, drawdown, net liquidity. Cash amount. So this is the max I can lose now, right? This is the max I can now lose. Nice. Gold potentially coming into our level right here. No, I appreciate your help, VJ. I appreciate it, man. This has been a hell of a boring stream because nothing has happened, but at least I've figured this out. At least I have figured this out. So, okay. All right. Distance to daily loss. And loss limit is trailing stop. So I don't need the trailing max, right? Because that says 2,500. That's not really relevant, is it? I don't really need that. I just need to know this one, the updated one. Oh, man. Stream Boost reposted my post. Nice, man. Appreciate it. Yes, you must know your daily limit. You must know your daily limit plus distance to daily limit to figure out trailing limit. But it tells me my trailing limit, right? Like this right here. I know now my distance to drawdown is 2,323. So I can't lose any more than that. Otherwise, I will fail this account, right? And there isn't any daily loss on this. There isn't any daily loss on this. This one is trade of 8, 50k. Daily drawdown, none. Scaling, none. Wait, real-time data fees included. So isn't that the NQ one? Don't I have that? So what is that? What is that real-time data fees? Included. So I don't have the data. There's no lag on my charts. Yeah, but there is with NQ, right? Isn't that what we figured out? NQ has a lag. Or it doesn't. I thought it did. No, it does. Yeah, it does. It does have a lag. Gold coming up. Not quite. Still not there. 3746. 3746. On TradingView, it's not delayed. On TradingView, it's not delayed, but on... Yeah, look. On TradingView, it's not, but on here, it is. Maybe I just need to refresh this. Oh, I just need to refresh it. No way. Okay, that's good. That's good. That is good. I just needed to refresh. There we go then. There we have it. We are set up with a futures account. Let's see how this goes. This is going to be traded during the live stream. Do I use this though, or do I use TradingView? I have to figure out which one's best. I have to have a mess around with it, because I could just go like boom, sell or buy over here, market, or I could even do, if I right click, I can do buy stop, and then I'm pretty sure on TradingView you can just drag the stop loss and take profit, right? I can just drag it. No, I appreciate your help, brother. Appreciate your help, man. What a legend. Shout outs to VJ in the chat. Shout outs to VJ in the chat. Real legend. Real G. Real top boy. Everyone go follow me on X. Everybody go follow me on X. It's where I post a lot of my setups, my levels right here. You can see I took a trade today. Nice little sell here, nice little scalp, in, out, shake it all about. That was over here on gold, I believe. Where was that? That was over here somewhere on gold, I think. Where was it? It might have been here. Or it might have been here. Can't remember now. But yeah, I took it. Might have been here. I don't know. But right now, basically, all I'm waiting for is the gold to come up into this area right here. And we're Gucci. We're Gucci. Beast mode activated. We started 5K starting Sunday night. That's this week. Since Monday, mostly fib levels, I'll be honest. 2 hour, 4 hour. Some quiddy sweeps. Fire. So, nice, man. So he deposited 5K on Sunday. Now, this is actually crazy. This is actually crazy. He deposited 5K on Sunday and made 7 grand profit, 7,291 profit, and then withdrew 6.5. And now he's still got the 5 grand in there. And that's using my discount levels and some liquidity and some of my liquidity levels as well. That's actually crazy. That's fire. That's what happens when you lock in, man. That's what happens when you lock in. That's what happens when you lock the fuck in, man. We're going to watch gold over here a little bit, but we're also going to... Let me have a look at NQ, actually. Oh, I'm getting... We'll stay looking at gold, fuck it. We'll stay looking at gold. All right, we got 3 locations, man. Let's go. You guys need to help me guess where we are today, okay? You need to help me guess where this is. All right. No wrong guesses, please. This is Europe, of course. But where about? I need to see. Attention. What does this say? Location Hotel de la Poste. That is location for... This is... I'm going to say Italy. Is that Italian or is that French? Is that French? Am I tripping? Oh no, this is French. This is France, but where in France? I have no idea. Help me out, help me out, help me out. I need Parc de Patis. Bro, how am I supposed to know this shit, man? Like, you got to give me some sort of... Which way do I go? Copenhagen? Wait, isn't that Denmark? Now I'm really confused. I want to say this is the French countryside. But I have no idea where, man. I have no idea where. So I'm just going to put, like, fucking here somewhere, I guess. Oh my god. I almost got it. This is... Flap store. Wait. Is this English? Bro, come on. I need something. Nicholas. Bonbons. Wait. Converse. Is this London? Is this London? Why are they blurring out signs and shit, man? Get me to a main road. No, this is not London. Oh, this is Lyon. This is France again. They try to trick me. This is France again. I'm gonna say it's like in this area somewhere. Let's go. 3 kilometers off. They try to trick me with that shit, man. France 2 times in a row. Are they gonna go France again to try throw me off again? Oh, this one's hard. Nah, this is South America. Could be Spain. I need to get out of this cul-de-sac. Bro. You're gonna give me anything? Which way do I go? Which way do I go? What does this say? São Lisboa. I'm gonna say this is in South America. I'm gonna go up here a little bit. I need to find something else. Any ideas? I need like a street sign or something, man. Give me a street sign. Fuck, man. I have no idea where this is. What does this say? I'm gonna say this is... Fuck, I don't know, bro. I don't know. I'm gonna say this is like Colombia or some shit. I don't know, bro. Oh, fuck, man. I was kind of close. Brazil. I was actually gonna say Brazil, but then I was like, nah, it doesn't... It looks too... Ba-da-bum bum. Ba-da-bum bum. Bro, I can't type right now, man. Yesterday we got it in 2. Yesterday we got it in 2. Let's see. Always start with trade. Always start with trade. A and D. All right, we got A and D. 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 Let's go. Nah, I can't do that. Let's try. D. What's a word I could use here? What's a word I could use here? Dash. I'm just gonna have to put dashes just to kind of get some words going. Saddle. Come on, gold. Give us something. I know there's no... Wait. I know there's no R. My brain's not braining right now, man. I'm so tired. But I'm trying to think what it could be. I don't want to take too many guesses. I'm trying to get it in 2 to keep my record. I want to try something with D, but I can't think. D, A. D-O, D-A-O, no. D doesn't go there. A doesn't go there. Pains, but it doesn't have a D in it, but at least I can figure out something. What's NASDAQ doing? Absolutely nothing. Arrow, now that it doesn't have R in it, and it has a D in it. Basically, if it's gray, it means the letters are not in the word. If it's yellow, it means the yellows are in the word, but are not in the right place. I just can't think right now. I'm gonna have to just go with D-A dash. I'm gonna have to go with dashes. It's not even a word. Mad. Madden. Madam. I don't know. Alright, let's just go with any fucking word, man. A doesn't go there, so we need like, what about ashed? Oh my god. So A doesn't go there, it doesn't go there, D doesn't go there, D doesn't go there. I know E wasn't in there, but I just wanted to figure out where it was at. So let's try D here. We're gonna have to go A there. D-A. D-A. Dab, dav, dak. Daff, dafe. Dof. Dap. Dagger. Fuck, man. doesn't go last. I'm thinking it starts with D. D-A something, but I just can't think of any words right now, man. Daddy. Oh, here we go. So we didn't get it in 2, we didn't get it in 3. D-A. What? D-A. Oh, it's not Daisy. Davy, Day. Oh, what? Oh, this is the worst one I've had in a long time. I don't even know this. Dapley. Dapley? Dashley, Dackley, Dagley, Daffley, Damley, Danley, Dabley, Davley, Dackley, Daxley, Dasley. I have no idea. What's pissed me off is that I couldn't think of the word daily here, and I put daddy instead. Brother. Is that even a word? Ollie? I don't... Dackley? Dashley? Daffley? Dagley? Dapley? Danley? Damley? Not. Danley? Dabley? Like, I don't understand what it would be. Dabley? Davley? These aren't words. What about Dapley? Dawley? Dagley? Davley? Like Daxley? Dasley? Bro. I don't know this word. Whatever this word is, I don't know it. Dackley? Bro, I've tried everything. Daffley? What? What have I not tried? What? What have I not tried? Let's start from the beginning. Dackley. Dolly. Wait. Dally? Dadley? No, D doesn't go there. Dally. Oh, like Dally. Dilly Dally. Bro. Brother. That's actually crazy though. 5k deposit. Made 7k on top of that. 7.3k on top of that. And withdrew 6.5. That's lit. in not even a week. He did that on Sunday. He deposited that on Sunday, he said. Sunday night. Since Monday. Crazy. So he's basically doubled his account. More than doubled his account in 4 days. That's naughty. That's naughty, innit? Like, yo, that's naughty. He should know better. Alright, man. What's going on here, NASDAQ? We gonna take some sales here or what? CME. CME. Ding, 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 ding. We got any SMT? No, we don't. Not that I trade that shit anyway, but you know. Do you reckon we can get a sell here? Oh my goodness. Interesting. Damn, that was actually a nice entry there on gold. Alright, it's 3 a.m. for me, man. It is 3 fucking a.m. I am gonna go get some sleep. That was the entry, I guess. About NASDAQ. You're gonna give me the entry? Bum, 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 bum. I'll put these side by side. I wonder. Wait, the 4 hour? Hell no. What do you reckon? We get some sales in here or what? I see. This is how we do it. So you'd go like that. That seems pretty easy. Maybe this one we do this one. This one we do this one. Then I need to trading, buy and sell. There we go. I got the setup complete. Bum 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 bum. No sales there. All right, man. I'm gonna head off anyway. This was fun. This was fun setting this up. So I'm gonna be trading this from now on. If I can catch anything, I need to get used to it a little bit first, though. But yeah, this seems fun. This seems hella fun, man. But yeah, appreciate you guys, man. Much love. Much love, much love. Bit of a slow one today. Bit of a slow one. Nothing really provided. Nothing really, you know. Oh wait. Nothing really set up for us here today. On gold, I wanted to see, you know, we do have a neutral bias, so I didn't really want to trade, to be honest, unless I saw price coming up into this discount area where I wanted price to then sell off. But it looks like we're selling off. Well, we are selling off before we've even met that. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see what happens tomorrow. See if we can catch anything. Haven't had a setup on gold since Monday. It's been chill, not trying to fall. Yeah, exactly, Emmanuel. I haven't either. I took one trade on gold on Monday. I made profit, and then I called it a week on my main account. So now I've just purchased this Apex account. Futures funded, just for a little bit of fun. I've been wanting to get into futures anyway. Made about $170 US profit right there. Not bad. I'm happy with that. On NASDAQ. But yeah. Let's see, man. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting to trade this Apex account. This is my first time ever trading futures and trading a funded, so like an actual funded. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. I've never traded a funded account before like this. So if you guys want to see how I do using my discount strategy, my discount levels on an Apex futures funded account, make sure you guys show up to the streams. All right. But that's W discipline though, Emmanuel. W discipline for Emmanuel. W Emmanuel in the chat. All right, good night, good night. Appreciate you guys stopping by. If you haven't subbed to the YouTube channel, just, you know, hit that sub button right now. Like the stream. Appreciate you. But in next have 42% discount. Yeah, Apex has 8%. Apex has 8%, Darius. Apex has 80% off right now. For the next 5 days, if you guys want. I might even buy a couple more, actually. All right. Peace out. Much love. God bless. See you all tomorrow.